Oh wait, why the video is in the exe format? It should be in MP4, right? Hello guys, today I am going to share an information regarding a scam. Recently I got a mail from a scammer where he is an ads manager and asking me to do a promotional video about their NFT project in YouTube. So after seeing that mail, I researched about that company and the website. Basically he acts like he is from Kellabear's team, but he is not. Kellabear's is a NFT selling website based on Ethereum blockchain. So the website is real, but the person who sent the mail is scammer. So how I found that and what information I gathered, let's see that. So firstly, let's see from where I got the mail. We can see that this is the mail address which looks somewhat different, right? Then I started finding information about this mail. Then I got some crazy details. The domain is risky one, and mostly atlas.cz or centrium.cz domain names, which is used for personal use mostly because they are free domains. Later I continued the conversation with the scammer that I was interested to do the promotion. Then he replied me. In that he sent a link which contains a rare file, and he told that they can do 50% of the payment in advance after signing the contract, and also given a deadline. But the main thing is in this link. Then I opened the link and downloaded the rare file and extracted it. In this there are 3 files. One is image of the Kellabear's project. Here we can see that the image. And second one is the contract PDF, that is the agreement. Look carefully. This is not related to the present situation, right? Actually it's agreement between the owner and the designer who design NFTs. It's not related to the promotion content. And third one is the video tutorial. Let's open it and see what is there inside the video. Oh wait
a minute. Who are you?
Why the video is in the exe format? It should be in MP4, right? Basically exe file is nothing but a executable file which is mostly used in Windows computers to install and run the software applications. But why we are installing it now? Something is different, right? Let's find it out. Before clicking that application, let's upload that file in some online antivirus websites and let's see the results. Here we go. Damn, it's a malware. It's a Trojan malware. Trojan malwares, it executes the task that the attacker designed it for, such as gaining access to our systems, or spying on users' activities, or stealing private information, or even they can lock your PC and demand some ransom. Well, so this is a malware. If I click it, boom, my system will be in the hacker hands. So these are the type of scams that reach thousands of people daily. The main thing is that before clicking any link or downloading any file or application, look carefully and download only from the trusted sites. So think before you click. Share to your family and friends and make them aware of this type of scams and attacks. That's all for today guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.